Good morning, students. Today we will do the exercise of the poem Summer and Fall, which we studied in our previous class. I explained you thoroughly, and now we will do the exercises and question answers. Okay, so look at your books and yes. So look at the first exercise. The first question, tick the correct answers. Yes, the distant honking the poet hears is the sound of. Your options are the geese flying over, next, the bees in the clover, autumn's call, a balmy south wind blowing. And yes, your answer is, it's very easy, the honking sound. Your answer is yes, A option, the geese flying over. So your answer is A. A option is the answer. Next question. The poet is barefoot because your options. She does not like to wear shoes. It is still summer. C. She thinks autumn is coming soon. D. She lives to go barefoot. And your answer is B option. It is still summer. Okay. Your answer is B. Done. Next. Third, the maple leaves are. You remember the maple leaves? कैसी थी वो? The maple leaves are A options purple, B round and yellow, C rosy and D golden. So your answer is, it's very easy, yes. The maple leaves are golden in color. So D is the answer. Next exercise B. Mark these sentences as true, T or false. Okay. So you have to write true and false. So the first sentence, this poem is about the last day of autumn. So this sentence is true or false. So it is false. Okay. The last day was the summer, not autumn. So it is false. Next, by 20 lovely tokens, the poet knows that fall is near. So this statement is true. Okay, it is true. Yes. The third, the poet sees golden asters. This statement is false. Okay, it is false. Next, the poet says the apple cheeks are getting mellow. Your statement, fourth statement, is also false. The fifth one, the poet says that today it is still autumn. This statement, remember, is also false. Okay, so now we will do the word meanings first. So look at my notebook. Okay, look at my notebook. So you have to write the name of the poem at the top, like I have written Summer and Fall by Nona Keane Duffy. This is the poet, and you have to write the words. Okay, word meanings I have written here, and you have to write the word meanings also. Okay, so the word meanings are there in your book. So the first word I'm just reading out. First is balmy, second word mellow, third sear, fourth tokens, and fifth is barefoot. So write their meanings in front of these words in your notebook. Okay, and then the question answers. Yes. So the first question is, in the poem, the poet says that She hears a distant honking. What is the poet referring to? Your answer is the poet is referring to the noise made by the flying geese. So the honking sound was of geese, flying geese. Okay. Second question, why have the corn stalks become brown and sere? The answer is the corn stalks have become brown and sere due to summer heat. ओके यू रिमेंबर समर हीट, स्कॉर्चिंग हीट, बहुत ज़्यादा हीट थी, उसकी वजह से जो मक्का के पेड़ थे वो कैसे हो गए थे, ब्राउन हो गए थे और सियर हो गए थे. नेक्स्ट थर्ड, व्हाट इज़ द वेदर लाइक ऑन द लास्ट डे ऑफ समर? Your answer is on the last day of summer, the weather is warm enough to enjoy being barefoot. Okay, the poet was enjoying the summer season because it was the last day of summer season, and she was also barefoot. Next, the last one. What does the phrase "the bees are in the clover" mean? Your answer is the clover is a type of flower. I told you earlier when I explained the poem that clover is a type of flowering plant and the bees feed on its nectar, and the bees were sitting and sucking the nectar. Okay, so these are your question answers, and this is how your poem ends. Thank you very much.